Welcome back, everybody. This is for a vlog for February 2025. Now we're in the, there's a bug in there right there. Sorry, a little distracted there. We right now in February is in the middle of repotting season, especially for deciduous material. Right now we're probably busy repotting. So if you're not busy repotting, then you're finished. And if you're busy repotting, you're probably not watching any videos right now, but just like me, I'm a little behind. Cold weather, getting sick, robotics, everything is not really helping at this point. But yeah, this is major repotting season. I got my mix of soil already built. Bought some grow pots to put this guy, and this is that triple trunk. Just repotting quickly without my camera here, but right now everybody's just in repotting mode. So I'm not sure where you guys are at. If you guys even have access to good indoor conditions so you can repot in the freezing cold. And this is freezing cold to me. Sorry, I'm a wimp. But other than that, let me get this going for this month's course. Repotting, that's on everybody's mind right now. Let's see. This might come out a little late, but on February 15th, it's probably tomorrow when this thing hits. We're gonna have our new member outreach for new plants and new techniques. That's happening at the Arboretum. We have our first meeting of the year. Don't forget, we didn't have a meeting in January. We didn't have a show in January. And be February the 20th, 2025 at the LA Arboretum in the Bamboo Room at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. We're going to have the CBS, or California Bonsai Society, guest visiting artist, Chris Springer from the East Coast. He'll be working on a Juniper that Joe picked up. So if you guys are available, I'd love to see you next Thursday, actually. That's the February 20th. And then that same weekend, February 22nd, 23rd, there is the Bonsai-A-Thon happening at the Huntington Library. That is the Golden State Bonsai Federation South Collection doing their fundraiser at the Huntington Library. And that's happening on the 22nd, 23rd of this month. Unfortunately, I probably won't be there on the 22nd. I actually have a competition that day, but I will be there on the 23rd. So if you're there, stop by, say hello. If not, there should be a video coming up where you guys are not able to attend. And that ends the month of February. And then just a little bit tidbit for the first part of March. March 1st and 2nd is the Golden State Bonsai Federation Lake Merritt, or the North Collection, their Mammoth auction and sale. That's happening at Lake Merritt, the Bonsai Pavilion. Never been there. That's being March 1st and 2nd. And then on March 8th and 9th, California Bonsai Society is having their annual show. This is the member show in March. And that's happening again on March 8th and 9th in Huntington Library. And last bit for right before our next meeting, this is March 15th. That should be a Saturday. There is a Bonsai Friends sale and Garden Grove. I'll put the link somewhere in this picture somewhere right here for you guys. And that's happening. That's like the new spring sale. It's happening this year. So something different for everybody to do. And that concludes the month of February and March, or part of March technically. When more information comes out, I know I haven't really updated the website. I've just been busy. I wish I could do this full time. I really wish I could do this full time. It'd be kind of fun, actually. I don't know if I really want to do it full time. I'm just saying. But Other than that, if you guys have any other shows or information coming up, throw it into comments below. Love to hear from you guys, or just email me directly and make the next vlog, and I'll put it on there. Other than that, hurry and repot. It's gonna get warm. It's gonna get warm pretty quick. Not sure about you guys up in the northeast. There's a polar vortex coming in next week. Good luck on that one, everybody. We're in this lovely 60s. You guys are probably in the teens, if that. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.